Hi guys, welcome back to Vibe video tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you how to use Vibe Shoppable Instagram feed on PageFly landing page builder. PageFly is a powerful, user-friendly tool for effortlessly creating stunning, high-converting landing pages. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and customizable templates, it helps businesses and individuals engage their audience and boost conversions. To get started, make sure you have PageFly installed on your Shopify store. Now, let's go to Shopify admin account. Then click Apps. In the app list, search for PageFly, and click on it. Now, we are landing on PageFly dashboard. Click on Pages on the left-hand side, and choose the page that you want to add Instagram feed on. I will choose this one. So say you had a page with PageFly, and you want to add Vibe Instagram feed on your page. Vibe is now integrated with PageFly. Follow my instructions. Hit Add Third-Party Elements in the left toolbar. Then click on the Edit Your Third-Party Elements icon. In the Integrations pop-up, you can search Vibe Shoppable Instagram feed on the search bar. Enable it. Click on the Vibe Shoppable Instagram feed elements in the catalog. There are two Vibe elements which are Grid Feed and Slideshow Feed. You can drag and drop the one you want on the canvas. In the General tab, there is a widget configuration giving you a short explanation of the Vibe Shoppable Instagram feed app, and its link to app listing. Once you drag and drop this element into the editor, it will display some settings requirements for you to do. Next, you must paste the feed ID that from Vibe Shoppable Instagram feed app to make it work. Let's head over to Instagram feeds on Vibe. I will choose this one. Once you finish settings for the content of the post on the left, you need to get the feed ID to insert the feed in PageFly page editor. To get the feed ID, click on this icon. Back to PageFly page editor that you want to insert Vibe Instagram shoppable feed on. Paste the feed ID. After that, you can set up for the feed display. And post display exactly the same as you did in Vibe application. In the Styling tab, you can edit the margin, border, and effective opacity for the element. Do not forget to save and publish to check the feed on live view. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Vibe Shoppable Instagram feed into your PageFly page. Now, you can showcase your products in a dynamic and interactive way, engaging your audience and driving conversions. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest video tutorials and contact our live chat 24/7 if you need any assistance. Thanks for watching.